The following video is brought to you by Copperhead Coatings, proudly bringing the industry's highest quality concrete coatings to central and northwest Oklahoma and southern Kansas. In the next few minutes, we'll introduce you to Penntek Industrial Coatings. We'll explain why our coatings outperform the competition and show you firsthand how we can transform your floor in just one day. To start, here's a few of our past customers to tell you why they love their Penntek floors.
One of the things I was really looking for was pretty extreme durability. Being a contractor and an outdoor enthusiast, I'm always using my garage and getting my cars super dirty, and I wanted something that was going to hold up to the elements, anything that I would throw at it. I think that was what really put me at ease, just knowing that this is the same kind of coating that is going to go in industrial applications. And so I wanted that durability to go along with the garage floor here.
What I really liked about it was the way all the colors blend together well. I like things that look uniform, I liked my color options, and I liked the warranty behind your product.
We like the floor because it's so much cleaner than the dingy, dirty concrete was, and it just makes everything feel better when you go in there.
We have planters out there, don't have to worry about how they drip through and leave marks in the concrete that embed over time. This stuff just cleans right up.
I really can feel comfortable driving on it, moving anything around on it. It's going to be durable and really last the test of time for me.
The full broadcast of flake was just another reason I was sold on this floor. It's absolutely amazing. It turned out great.
It really gives me another room when my grandkids come over. It gives us a huge room for them to play in.
It's an awesome product. I would highly recommend it to anyone looking.
Even the FedEx delivery guy comments on the walk up to the front door how nice everything looks.
Now, let's look at why traditional coatings fail. Most coatings sold today are water-based epoxy systems. They're marketed as low cost and easy to install. The problem is they don't work. Epoxies harden with time, and in as little as 1 to 2 years, begin chipping and peeling. Most homeowners don't have the right equipment to profile concrete, and in this business, thorough preparation is critical. Our typical floor grinders weigh over 600 pounds and use high-quality diamond tooling under extreme pressure to profile the surface of the concrete. If your floor isn't prepped right, your coating will fail. Our certified installation teams have the right equipment and training to prep your floor efficiently. If your floor has minor cracks or damaged areas, these can typically be repaired using Penntek's MerenHD, a rapid cure polyurea repair system that is ready to coat in 30 minutes. Unlike traditional epoxy, our Evolution system features polyurea, a material that's stronger and more flexible. Our base coat has been engineered for maximum adhesion to your concrete. It finds the open pores of the concrete and bonds deep into the substrate, becoming a permanent part of the floor. These decorative chips come in a variety of designer colors and are 100% UV stable, so you never have to worry about your floor fading. We start by scraping and collecting the loose chip. This process allows us to create the right texture and feel. A floor that is comfortable and safe to walk on, but also attractive and easy to clean. The final step in the process is installing our polyapsartic top coat. Its non-porous finish makes it 100% antibacterial and antimicrobial. It's designed for maximum durability. So imagine what it would be like to transform your concrete in just one day. Come home to a brand new surface that you'll be proud of. Penntek Industrial Coatings has the ideal solution for patios, front steps, basements, or any other concrete surface. Our seamless floors are perfect for industries involving retail, industrial, food service, and beyond. For the ultimate floor coatings that will last for years to come, trust Copperhead Coatings, your certified Penntek Coatings dealer.